This is on planet Rilgar, BlackWater City. Original Rachet and Clank, PS2. Second tunnel. In the tunnel where you first need to use the hydro-displacer. You can aim anywhere around this area. Right here. You can even stand on that little ledge. And then just let her rip. The racetrack is right above you. All the boxes that automatically respawn are destroyed and sucked in by the taunter. I just took my regular old spring clamp. Oh, hold on. And I'll let it run all night, and I should have about a million bolts before the morning.